What if I told you scientists just created a woolly mouse, a tiny creature with genetic traits inspired by the woolly mammoth? Sounds like science fiction, right? But this is real. A company called Colossal Biosciences has genetically modified mice to have thicker, woolly fur, a small step toward their ultimate goal, bringing back the woolly mammoth. But does this experiment actually bring us closer to reviving extinct species, or is it just a publicity stunt? Let's break it down. Colossal Biosciences use gene editing to modify laboratory mice. They change 7 genes that control hair texture, coat thickness, and even fat metabolism. 6 of these genes were already known to affect fur growth in mice, but the 7th, that was inspired by a gene found in woolly mammoths. This gene, called FABP2, is involved in how the body processes fats, something crucial for surviving freezing temperatures. So, did this make the mice better at handling the cold? Not really. The changes didn't seem to affect their body temperature or metabolism much. So, if editing one gene doesn't turn a mouse into a mammoth, what would it take? Reviving the woolly mammoth isn't just about making an elephant look fuzzy. It would require hundreds, maybe thousands of genetic modifications to recreate the complex adaptations that helped mammoths survive Ice Age conditions. Things like thick fat layers for insulation, cold-resistant blood from massive curved tusks for digging through ice, to a unique way of communicating and behaving in herds. And even if we could engineer a mammoth-like elephant, where would it live? The Ice Age is over, the tundras are shrinking. Would we just be creating a species with no home? While scientists are focused on reviving extinct species, what about the ones still alive but on the brink of extinction? Tigers, rhinos, orangutans, dozens of species are disappearing every year due to deforestation, poaching, and climate change. Instead of spending millions on resurrecting the past, shouldn't we focus on protecting what we still have? So what do you think? Should we bring back the mammoth? Or is this just a cool science experiment with no real future? Drop a mammoth emoji in the comments if you think we should bring them back, or a stop sign if you think we should focus on saving endangered species instead. And hey, if you love crazy science and space updates, hit that subscribe button for more mind-blowing discoveries.